Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video of the channel, and today we'll be unboxing the iPad 17. This is it, the iPad 17.
10th generation.
Yep, 10th generation. And we've also have the accessories, the Apple Pencil and the Smart Folio, 10th generation. Okay, let's unbox it. Yep, the iPad 10th generation. And we've got the charger, USB-C, or the lightning, yeah, no, the USB-C probably, it's the newer generation.
Alright.
Yep. Do we have these instructions here? Okay. We have USB-C charger here. So the newer, it used to be the lightning charger, but now they have this one. So okay, and we can plug this in.
Plug it in.
Okay, yep, plug it in. Okay. And you can plug it in.
Alright, does it show what percentage it's charged?
Yep, it's 96%.
96. Alright.
Good.
There you go. What should we call it?
Can I add a name to it? Yeah.
The other one was CPad 2. Let's see. We can call this one. How about CLC Pad 1?
Okay. Sounds good. The camera's right here. So, horizontal.
Landscape conferencing. Hey, you take off your gloves for the operation. Okay, looks good.
Okay.
Well,
Yep.
do you want to get the accessories out?
Yep.
Finish the unboxing video and then
Yeah.
we'll do the setup.
Okay. Let's finish unboxing the accessories. So here we have the Smart Folio.
Scissors?
That goes around. I don't think so. You might need the scissors for this.
Holding it back.
Can't really open it. I think this touched it here, so if we
So stick
pull
it on the
this.
bottom. Don't see that.
You can try pulling that out.
Ah, there we go.
Okay. And then you could probably touch it to here somehow.
Magnetic.
Okay, yep.
Okay.
Magnetic.
Try it out. Is it?
Just like a. Okay. Triangular stand.
The other?
Yep.
Okay.
And
Apple
there's an
pencil.
Apple Pencil.
It's just first generation Apple Pencil, but that's
Yeah.
second generation. I think has the USB port, but that one has
Yeah, it's just
lightning.
first
I wonder if it comes
generation.
with an adapter. Maybe we'll have to get that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we could just charge it with our existing lightning port.
Yep. Use the Apple Pencil.
There it goes.
Okay. Good. Pull this out.
Try it
Here
out.
it
Does
is.
it work all immediately?
Let's see. Not yet.
What do we have to do? Do we have to pair it?
Maybe.
This says we need the USB-C to Apple
there's a-
Pencil adapter.
Speed charger.
Oh, okay. But that's lightning. See, that's
Oh
kind of
yeah.
a strange thing.
Lightning.
So this
Yeah,
didn't
because
come with
it's
the
the-
adapter. Oh, here it
Oh,
is.
there we
It's
go.
right there. Okay,
Yeah. Good.
What's this?
Okay. Yeah, and this is only the first generation Apple Pencil, so it'll probably come with a lightning one.
Yeah.
Going like this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Remove the cap. Plug your Apple Pencil and a USB-C cable into the USB-C Apple Pencil adapter. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Got it there? Now USB-C cable.
Yeah. See.
Maybe we can use the one we're using for charging.
Okay.
Can you plug that in there?
Yep. Should be charging.
It's possible we need to finish this really quickly here.
Yeah.
We'll continue. Should we continue this video after we get it paired up?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.